Hi guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome back and welcome to the Barley vlog.
Did you miss me?
Say yes.
Because I missed you.
Oh, I missed you too. We're packed and we're ready to skedaddle.
See you in Bali!
I booked the taxi for 10 a.m. So they've just sent me a message with my name. Like, where are you? I'm not there. I've just sent, can you come back in 10 hours and I will be there?
12 hours, babe.
Well,
Quick math.
who is a ringadini? It's a taxi driver. I'm not answering that.
I know.
I'm scared.
I will. Hello? Hi, good morning, how are you? Only if you're
Off
able
to a
to.
good start.
If not, we can
Made it through the duty free. So we've got some nuggets to eat and some balsamic
Oh my god, that looks really good.
and some BBC. Actually, it's BBC.
BBBC.
It's the lesbian version.
Ella has ordered herself a gelato. Yeah. Gotta have a little sweet treat with our drinking.
What do you rate it out of 10?
It's a 7.
We got some wine,
Of course. Some presents.
because we're getting smashed for the plane. It's really good.
I hate planes, pray for me. Dead inside. I think the tattoos are making it look a bit more spicy. Yeah. We're an hour and a half in and we're losing it. Talking shit. Do we look like naughty girls? Favorite quote that Shaylee's ever said is when you said that if an alien came to Earth, they would think that we're different species because we look so different. Yeah, and I think about them a lot. I think it's very true. Got the game.
We have 2 hours left.
Tired.
We're tired.
I want to go to bed. We're bored.
Except by sea
I cannot see it.
I cannot die. It is like 1 a.m. Australian.
No, it's 3 a.m. Australia.
First time Bali, is it? Inform you.
Yeah.
This is our Indian restaurant.
Oh, nice.
Indian restaurant.
Good morning vlog. With this day 2, we had just arrived. We were so dead last night, so I didn't give you a tour, but I thought I'd give a little room tour now. Ella is in the bed sleeping. Good morning. This room is actually so huge. We weren't sure. I booked it obviously and the place looked nice, but you never know, and we weren't sure what we were getting. I was like to Ella on the flight, I think we have 2 twin beds, and she's like, oh, wonderful. So you walk in, there's a little desk, there's Ella's bed, Ella on the bed, there's my bed. So we do have 2 twin beds, but they're not not really twin beds. They're quite big.
Yeah, they are quite big.
Yeah.
This is the biggest single bed that I've ever seen, honestly.
Yeah, it's enough room. And you walk over here and we have a TV. Coming to the bathroom, our toilet. There's me looking a bit decrepit. The bathroom, little robes. We've got a little area for sitting. And it's a beautiful day. It's so nice. Today we're gonna go quad biking and whitewater rafting. So we're just woken up from our slumber. I think I actually woke up at like 5 briefly. Yeah. I kept taking naps in the cars, and then by the time we got here I was so out of it. I just stared off into space, so the guy just mainly talked to Ella to sign us in. It was like 4 in the morning Aussie time. I didn't think it would be such a intensive travel day because it's a 6-hour flight, but I think any travel day is just fucked. Yeah, we low-key, it was useful, but we low-key got scammed by the airport people. You know, the little men that are standing there and just walk your bags and help you. We didn't need the help, but we got treated like royalty, I guess. And he waited at Starbucks, so we got croissants.
We had to pay for it, but
we had to pay halfway through. He's like,
whatever.
so, you know, like I get a little tip. And we're like, we
yes,
know.
you do. So.
All right, vlog. This is the OOTD.
I'm ready.
We're gonna go ride bike.
Woo! But first things first, food and coffee.
Yeah, true. First breaky. What's up, vlog?
Shaz vlog. We made it to our halfway point.
We're looking a bit discovered. Look at this.
We are so smart. We wore sneakers.
I thought we were going ABT first. Yeah, we thought we weren't. Oh, but we're in for the long ride. We're in for the long ride. It's going to be a wet one.
My guns are gonna be huge.
Cheers.
Ride a bike. Gotta ride it out.
Off to the pool. Oh my gosh, this place. Yeah. Did you hear her? We literally. Okay. After white. I'm not saying we don't have to walk.
Oh my god. Guys, this is orange.
All I'm saying is, you should have seen the stairs we walked up after whitewater rafting.
Piece of cake. We are mountains girlies. They were not 400 steps.
It was a lot, and here she.
It's only one floor.
Oh, well, there you go. Booked this place because obviously it was like the nicest one for value because we booked it in advance. But I think it's one of the like more luxe resorts in Ubud. Yeah, I think it's funny because I've just been traveling in luxury resorts for the last like year. So my standards obviously will never drop. Even if I don't want to pay a lot. Have they actually?
Yeah, I'm not paying money. I don't have rich bosses. So.
Hi vlog, we have finished.
You like the outfit?
It's a little weird.
The hair's escaping.
Don't look at it. Oh my gosh, we have finished day 1 in Bali and it was quite the adventure. We had the most funny Uber driver. He literally was vlogging us and he has a YouTube channel and a TikTok account which you should all go follow. Anyone who watches this, but he was just vlogging us around and he was so sweet, giving us like social media tips and I don't know. What would you say was your favorite part of the day?
The quad biking was probably my favorite part.
Yeah, I was scared at first.
I was scared too.
Going slow, like you just jump in and they make you go down like this big hill.
Yeah, I almost rear-ended Shaylee like 100,000 times.
Yeah, I was holding on. I was like, is this worth it? I was like, am I gonna fall off and die? And then after 10 minutes, there's me like going down like,
because at first we were like really braking quite heavily and like we would just like go on the accelerator like, oh.
Yeah.
And then towards the end, like we weren't even braking going downhill. We're like, oh.
And then I popped a tire from my excessive speed racing.
Yeah, she's just too fast.
Just too fast, just too speedy.
The Uber driver kept on telling me and Shaylee to relax. Like,
to relax. We were having breakfast this
oh
morning.
my God.
And we were so stressed because we were like, we
so
need to get there at
stressed.
8:30, otherwise he's literally going to leave us and be like, too late.
But when did we get to breakfast?
He was literally booked
Like
for the whole day
yeah.
to follow us
around.
around. And then we were there like 30 minutes early. So you know what he did? He took us to the like Easy Mark to get cigarettes and water. And Diet Coke.
Yeah.
The 3 essentials to life.
Yeah.
That's day 1. We're dead, as
We're
you can
gonna go
see.
get some dinner.
Yeah.
We had a really fun time near the pool the other day. No.
The other day, literally the other hour.
Yeah, half an hour ago. It was so fun. Just showered, gonna grab some food, and then just have a chill night.
Turn it off and like sleep it up. Goodbye. Good morning vlog, welcome to day 2. We got a bit silly last night. Not by drinking, just by behaviour. It's a beautiful sunny day today. I'm getting really blessed with the weather. And we're just about to go get breakfast and then we're gonna go to the markets. I want to get like a little carry bag, maybe some cute sandals, but I think the bag's more of a pry already. We're also going to go to the market. We'll probably go to the markets in each little place, but then we're going to go to Craya and then we've got dinner booked in for tonight. Hi vlog! This is, oh my gosh, there's the table. This is the vet check for the day. We're heading to the markets and then to the shops. The shops. We're heading to the shops.
Right now we're off to get some breakfast.
Yummy.
The food is really good.
I could literally sleep and eat here for like a week.
And the
straight.
coffee is really good too. I don't know why we're set up like this. Like.
So hot out here. And I put my hair in a slick back and I look insane. The humidity has got to me. Your hair still looks pretty decent, you bitch.
My fringe would be really messed up if I didn't have my sunglasses on. But yeah, it's not bad.
Everyone is antisocial and ugly.
It's all about the Instagram photos.
Yeah, I did partake, but
So much is happening. It is really beautiful.
it is beautiful. It'd be funny if you were either a day who's drunk or had more friends, which we have neither. Girl and a drink in the hot tub. Oh. Big mama incoming. Hello vlog. Shaylee. I thought I'd give a little nightly debrief in my little fit. My little companion is not fitted. She looks very beautiful actually.
I beg to differ, but thank you.
Yeah, so day 2 down, all done and well. We went exploring today in the streets.
Streets of Ubud. It was really fun.
The Ubud's streeties. I almost died in one of the cafes. I had to go have a little toilet experience down there and it was all enclosed and I almost died and it came up and I had to take my top off and there's Ella flirting with the man showing her his pussies. That gets her. That gets her.
Yeah.
And then we went and had a wonderful massage. You had a little child massage.
Didn't see her before she was massaging me.
Yeah.
Halfway through, I was like, oh.
There is an infant in here touching my body.
She was really good at massaging though. It was 10 Australian dollars each for an hour massage.
So good.
Insane.
We tried out that like Korea day club. We literally got so bored. We went down there where like everyone's just taking Instagram pictures. I mean, I obviously took some Instagram pictures, but then we just skedaddled. Now we are getting ready to go for dinner. I'm gonna make a little vlog on my TikTok. So if you want to see where we're going to like this spiritual place where they like give you dinner based off your like tarot reading. It's a very interesting little hippie. Hopefully I like the food, otherwise that's a bit awkward. The universe hadn't sent me. Oh, actually, I'm gonna give a little haul of what I bought at the markets.
Great idea.
Going into like Korean nightclub, the guy pulled this bag out and he's like, no, and I was like, but it's a little elephant, and he goes, okay, pretty, go in.
I think he thought it was something else based on the package.
I'm baffled.
So I got this dragon. I think it's really sick. Just a little trinket to take home to remember the trip from. It's really cute. So that's for me. And then I got this little bowl. It's made out of a coconut and then it has like kind of like PowerShell inside. And I got this
Probably for my parents. Shaylee's struggling. I got some little clippies for my hair. I might put one in my hair tonight.
Really cute.
Here we go. This is the elephant. No. How cute. Good morning, vlog. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. This is our day 3. It is our last day here in Reupload. We went to a really beautiful dinner last night. We didn't end up picking the tarot carding one because we are fatties and wanted to pick our own dinner. But check out my TikTok if you want to see us getting ready and us at the dinner because we didn't bring the camera. But what have we got on the agenda for today, Miss Lucas?
So I've just been at the gym getting some gains.
Whoa! You swole.
We're gonna go have brekkie right now, and then we're gonna jump in the pool, and then we're gonna pack up all this shit.
It's turned. I said
Get on the road.
I said to Ella last night, I was like, I'm glad we're leaving today because I fear this hotel room is getting quite bad and I fear it's all me.
I fear she may be right.
Look, this is me.
All her.
That's me. That's me. That's Ella.
Yeah, that's me.
That's mixed. This is my little containment zone. What's in here? Yeah, more of me. So. In the next one we have separate rooms.
Yeah.
So maybe we can see who keeps it cleaner. Who do you reckon?
Place your bets in the comments. We're matching. Inverse. Blue and white.
I was just telling Ella that
Are you gonna leave our door open?
Okay, fuck you, bitch. I'm in a mood today. I was just telling Ella, maybe I'll join you for the stairs this morning in my vlog.
Oh, wowee! Lovely! You're walking up the stairs alone every day.
Yeah, I'm not joining her on her mission for the stairs because fuck that. But it's our last day. Look at the serenity. Anyway, one of my pairs of shoes is giving me blisters. This really expensive, like, aged pair of shoes. And then my other pair of sneakers are wet because we wore them whitewater rafting when we really didn't need to.
We shouldn't have.
We shouldn't have. No.
I'm soaked.
And then all my other pairs are heels, so maybe I'll buy some cheap little flatties at the markets that are ugly and I won't use again. But it will support them and me.
Win-win.
Win-win, all in all. Not a bad idea.
Maybe the other side again.
None of our favourite couples are here. We missed them. I'm sitting here at breakfast and Ella just goes, I'm doing some art right now, and then she turns around with this. Wait, where's your phone? No, shut up! So we both got a little eggs Benny today and some water. We've sucked up our coffee.
For yourself.
Oh, just I'm the sucker here. And we're off to our next location. We're on the way to make sure the happiness today. wanted to walk the suitcases up by herself and have me watch her carry them. Oh no!
But she talked me out of it. Probably wise now.
Bye.
Yeah, because sometimes the customer is cancer.
Is what, sorry?
Is cancer.
Reading our books, trying to read our books because we've started a book club. Well, I started it, and our first meeting is in a week, and we're 10 pages in each.
10 pages in. Doing great.
Doing amazing. Thank you.
Actually, you have like a 2 bed.
Let me give you a little tour. So you walk up through here, you come down, and this is my bedroom. So nice. You get a nice view of the pool. And then you go in here, and we have Ella's bedroom. So cute. So little. And then you go down here, we have a floaty. Then we have a pool. Stunning. And then around here is toilet. Yes. Shower. We figured it out. It's a skylight. Oh, you're opening it?
I'm opening it so that surely I want to see what it looks like. How cute. I don't want to break it.
Breaking it.
I think it's okay. I won't try it.
Hey vlog, welcome back. Little update, we have arrived at the villa. I think I gave you guys a little house tour. We just went and got our hair done. Check out my TikTok if you want to see that video. And now we are dying, dead.
So tired.
So tired. We are going out tonight to Motel Mexico.
Motel Mexico.
Close enough.
Then
I was laying here just in my underwear and I look up there, you guys see, and there was a man staring at me and my cheeks are out hardcore, so look at my little cover up.
if you're the man, you're welcome.
Yeah, honestly, the amount of neighbours I'm the naked neighbour to is just obscene. I just do not care. Everywhere I go, I'm just like, yeah, that's me.
Hey. I think, you know, I always say whatever, you're welcome. You're welcome.
I told her to hold on for me.
It's so pretty.
Okay, look, we have this little stair thing. Apparently it's a pretty sunset. I was gonna put my roby on. Oh wow.
I like the sunset there is really... Damn, we should have come out like probably 15 minutes ago in that sunset. Would have been at the perfect time.
Do that.
But it's really, really beautiful. It's kind of giving budget Santorini.
This is our rooftop.
Every second, minute, power, bigger, brighter, stronger, power. Did it must read the lyrics long? Glad I'm alive.
Okay guys, this is the fit. We've got white box on the top.
Yeah.
The Leanie shoes. Oddly enough, these are
Beautiful.
more comfortable than these fuckers. For the bag,
So graceful.
we've got glasses.
Yeah. I cannot remember where this top is from. Dish Scott. Dogs are out at the moment,
The dogs are out.
but I'm just wearing my little flaxies.
Fun fact of the day: my exposed toe, if you know, you know,
Yeah.
is free tonight for the first time in forever. It's this magic.
So if you want to see some crazy toe action, come to Barley real quick.
Yeah, it's real juicy. Good morning, vlog. We have
Good morning.
good morning. Good morning. We have made it through night 1 of 4.
Good.
We also took it too far on the first night. Super. But we
super fun.
were home at 2:30 and we ended up going to 3 venues. And then I got a little puppy dog who followed me around, which was fun. Pulled with my dogs out. With these fuckers out. They're not looking too shabby at the moment, so that was pretty impressive. It's pissing down right now.
It is.
And we don't know what to do with ourselves. We're gonna go eat, of course.
And then probably just bed. What do you do on vacation if it's not sunny? Content.
Anyway, that's the update vlog. Also, our shoes are in fucking shambles.
Oh shoot. So the itinerary today. Eat, massage, blow dry our sneakers. Go to Finn's Beach Club in the pouring rain, come home early, and do who knows what.
The rain has stopped. Ella is not feeling good. And I'm getting beeped at, so joy to the world. Tell us the type of juice you got.
I got a orange, carrot, and ginger juice. Tastes like straight ginger.
To cancel out last night.
Yeah.
Alright, vlog, we're off to Finn's. It's my birthday night. My swimmers are from Glassons. My dress is from Princess Polly. And my shoes are from Bali.
So cute. Thank you, my love.
I'm gonna kill everyone. That was for the vlog. Not for you. They all need to fucking die. You don't love me like I love you. We're a bit worse for wear today, so forgot to update the vlog that we are heading to a beach club. We're not drinking, we are gonna read. Like,
Yeah, I gotta get some food, drink some water.
and we got my birthday dinner tonight.
Really excited.
I wanted to get you on the
Run away from the cat. I feel like cats that has rabies. I don't want to get rabies. I don't know if it does have rabies or not, but it looks a bit lucky.
There's like a cat and it was peeking in our room and I just hear Ella go, Shaylee, can you come help me? And she's oh my gosh, what?
It's multitasking.
My sister has a cat and when I first found it, I wouldn't touch it for 3 days until I took it to the vet to make sure it was not rabified.
Smart girl.
This cat has like more of a chance to be rabified though, so I don't know. Huh?
I think it has a lot more of a chance to be fun.
My hair's so short. I got it cut in Bali. It really needed it, but my soul hurts.
And I still cannot realize the difference.
Anyway, we're getting ready for my birthday dinner. 23, young and free, only 17. It's 23. You are the dancing queen, young and free, only 17.
This is a little dress moment. This is cute.
Also, vlog, I just realized that I have 50 subscribers, so
Yeah, YouTube.
yeah.
Hey,
So hello everyone. I hope you like the vlog so far.
like and subscribe.
We have just went to birthday dinner and now it is Nana's time. You did not get a fit check because I looked like I was gonna burst out of it. Boop, boop. So vlog on the agenda today, we are traveling down to Uluwatu and then we've got a pretty busy day. We got a fire show tonight and then we got to run back to the room to change for dinner and then we got to run to dinner. We're probably going to be a bit late to dinner. A friend over here, one of my friends, is here on like a solo trip. I actually hadn't seen her in like a year and then she came and met us at Finn's Beach Club and she got fucking crunk. So she's meeting us for dinner because she's currently in Uluwatu. So all in all, we should have some better days. Australia, oh, but so Ella was just pointing out all the little centipedes and I don't know if she knows the law around my she's like, you know the movie Human Centipede?
I was like, have you watched it? And she's like, you know my law. I was like, I don't think I do know the law.
So when I was in year 7 and the Human Centipede movie was becoming like really popular, yeah, I couldn't watch it and I don't even know what was wrong with me at the time. A lot of things, you know. And
it wasn't just one, there was multiple.
There was multiple things. Yeah. Who knows? I don't really remember much at that time. I don't know when my memory started coming back, but it surely wasn't then. Anyway, my friends convinced me the movie was real and the guy that like was the human centipede person was just in our town of snuck. So I literally didn't leave the house for 2 weeks because I was terrified
Of getting
that
human
he was going to
centipeded.
capture me and human centipede me. Yeah. So. We are dead. I feel like every time we've come on the vlog, I'm just like, yeah, and we're dead. Heading down to Uluwatu. Ella is concentrated in reading to herself. She looks angry at me that I've
Tapping out on the
disturbed
vlog. Goodbye,
her.
vlog.
The clip that we're on our way now to Uluwatu, and I feel like at this point in the holiday I just look like a bald little rat. Bald fat rat. So that's all, y'all. That's all. And I'm very disappointed because I left my big Coke. It went missing. Moment for the Coke. More car. Back in the car again. You're so mean. Alright. This is our lounge room. Wow. This is where you live. And then you go in here and this is our spacious room. You got our bed, which we have lots of cuddles.
Yes.
Our bathroom.
So cute.
Wonderful. Oh my gosh, look. You get a little bag. Nice. Yeah, dinner tonight and then tomorrow I think we're going to go surfing. Book some surfing lessons. Fun fact, me and Ella did a surfing camp for like 3 days. And we haven't surfed since. Well, maybe she has. I haven't.
I have.
You have. Haha. Needed a change of scenery. I think this is going to be like my favorite location so far because we are just little slats for the beach.
We are. We are already so much happier.
We were so
This is the most energy
so
we've had for like the last 3 days. Chingu. Everyone said, you love Chingu. No, babe. We want to lay on the beach
in the sun,
whalify ourselves,
and
then we'll be happy.
And then we'll be happy.
I miss Sally at a late night dive bar. She don't dance, but she downs her drinks. Her two friends, she's a born again wild card. She was telling me wild things. Oh, she was telling me wild things.
We're on the way from Mission to Happiness to the going to a fire show. Okie dokie. Fit check. Ella is behind me. We've got our little outfits on. The monkeys! The monkeys are gonna snatch my... That's terrifying. My birthday. We are waiting with the people. So we just got rained on for an hour and then we lost our accommodation on the way. So we are still in our rain outfits.
It was great.
And there's a gift. So, all is well. Shaylee!
Let me see your hands high. Put your hands over the heels.
Rise and shine. Vlog. We had the worst sleep of our lives.
I have definitely had worse sleeps before, but it was not fantastic.
We had a sheet for our blankie, and then with the aircon off, it was like a hot little sweat box, but with it on is like a cold ice cake.
No. Also, vlog, I'm sick.
Boo.
I'm sick.
But for real. Not with barley belly though, but
No.
just with a
I
cold.
have a bit of a cold.
We have. It's our last full day here, but poor little monkey's probably got to be sick on the flight home.
Yeah, which is fine because I can't sleep on planes anyways. So.
We split ways last night because we experimented in social relations, which...
Well, Shaylee did. I did not.
Enough said. But on our way home, there's like this path that you can choose 2 ways to go, and each of us got lost, like past the tiger.
And I'm sorry, it is
terrifying.
so fucking terrifying. We are literally on the ledge of a cliff, and there's multiple different pathways that lead to multiple different villas that all look the fucking same, and they all lead down to the beach.
And the sign to our villa is like the tiniest thing in the area. Like imagine the video I took of us walking down there, but pitch black dark.
And we'd only been down there once.
So mucho cute. Shall we sit there? Or
Sit there. That's a good idea.
we have the smoothie of the day, some coffee. How is it?
Coffee is really good.
Our last night here. We're just watching the sunset. So beautiful. I just took a fat nap too in preparation for our dinner. We're going to the cave, which is like a very exclusive experience. It's like fine dining, and it's inside this old cave in Bali. It looks amazing. We are on our way to the cave. We've just hiked up the mountain. It's not going to be an interesting one. Oh my god. This is so funny. Okay everyone, welcome to the end of the vlog. We're about to go to the airport to head home from Bali, and I am mucho sunburnt, but that is fine. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to this part of the vlog, I don't know if there would be actually many of you, so if you made it, maybe comment down below that you did, and yeah, like and subscribe for more. And Ella says bye. Also, thank you to my new 150 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Let's keep it growing. Bye.